The metaverse is expanding as a real opportunity that allows you the possibility of gaining a major income. You can now invest in it directly and make money with over 1 trillion revenue opportunity loaded in it. Yeah, there is a lot of money to make in there. You've got to seize this opportunity, and in this video, I will be sharing with you how to make thousands of dollars from investing in Metaverse. Firstly, the rudiments of the term Metaverse, how it works, and finally, how to invest in it and make more money. And of course, I will want you to stay till the end of this video, as many other questions will be answered in this very video. But before getting started, welcome to our channel where we share everything that you need to hustle from home. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something from it. Is this your first time stumbling on this channel? Why not take a scroll through our other content too? Now, let's start with a little analysis of the word meta and verse. The word meta means beyond, while the word verse is the short form of the word universe. This shows that the metaverse simply means a world beyond the universe. According to Mark Zuckerberg, metaverse is the internet space in which you are inside of it, and there's no obstruction or restriction on what you can do while inside the metaverse. That sounds difficult to comprehend, I guess. Actually, there have been shades of the metaverse in times past. Your 3D games, 3D videos are all shades of what the metaverse portrays. The only difference is, instead of watching it, you can actually feature and live in this world. The metaverse runs like the normal world. You can attend casinos, markets, own lands, visit places, get married, and a whole lot of things done in this physical world. The main purpose is to bring the cyberspace more into reality. This is weird, right? I got you. I understand that feeling though. The metaverse is a virtual world that enables users to interact with others using personalized avatars. It extends beyond gaming and allows visitors to interact virtually and experience various activities in real time. Experts believe the metaverse now represents a unique 1 trillion revenue opportunity. Yeah, that's right, 1 trillion revenue opportunity. Now, to the big question, how do I make money on the metaverse? As I have said earlier on, the metaverse is just a digital representation of the physical world. Therefore, every activity done in the physical world can also be done over there. One can invest in the metaverse directly and indirectly. But for this video, we will be focusing on the top 6 ways of making money now in the metaverse. Number 1. Buying metaverse tokens. Investment decisions in cryptocurrencies is becoming more popular, and it is no longer limited to the rich and powerful community. Nowadays, anyone can invest in cryptocurrencies. Metaverse tokens are one of the best ways to invest in metaverse. Metaverse tokens are not easily distinguished from those other cryptocurrencies and tokens, but they are linked to almost the same sector. They work in various ways, with some like Axie Infinity acting as a web-based game in which you can buy creatures to battle and earn money from. Many other metaverse tokens have been getting attention as well, as they possess the potential of great return in 2020. Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Sandbox, Nakamoto Games, MetaHero, Blocktopia. Number 2. Play to earn. Average earnings per month, $200 to $1,000. Play to earn is a simple format that's taken off in recent years. You're paid a small amount for playing games while watching ads or mining cryptocurrencies in these. Every kind of play to earn game is different, and in some metaverses, it even refers to jobs like in-game waitressing or performing. Consider what you want out of the game, what type of work you won't get bored of, and how much you want to make. This can be a great side hustle. Number 3. Stream content from experiencing metaverse. Average earnings per month, $3,000 to $5,000. Although many will want to enjoy the metaverse firsthand, more would rather watch streamers live out whatever type of life they want in these virtual spaces. Recently, Twitch streamers had their incomes leaked, and many people were surprised at the huge amounts they were making from streaming gaming content. If you decide to go this route, it's vital that you have a good microphone setup, that you create a niche for yourself. and that you possibly include a face cam so that people can enjoy watching your reactions live. Whether you want to earn money on Bigo Live or Twitch, the Metaverse will create endless content opportunities for its creators. Number 4. Buy in-game non-fungible tokens. Average earnings per month vary on investment. NFT games are one way for investors to profit from the NFT craze. Many NFT games include financial projections, allowing players to earn money while playing. As the popularity of NFT gaming grows, so may the economic potential. Several games are emerging as prospective sources of revenue for players, making them enjoyable to watch. In addition, NFTs are provable ownership of digital assets and are said to be a key asset in the metaverse, as it allows users to own items within the metaverse and personalize their experience. Land, buildings, avatar items, and game items can be owned in the form of NFTs. As interconnected metaverses are developed, you may be able to use certain NFTs across various platforms in the future, and this could drive the value of the NFT. So, if you choose to purchase some now, in the nearest future, they can turn out to be huge fortunes, just like Bitcoins. Number 5. Purchase virtual land in the metaverse. Average earnings per month vary on investment. Buying land is one of the best ways to invest in metaverse. It means the ability to own assets in the metaverse, leading to the availability of structures or environments that emulate those in the real world. You can own lands on the metaverse and then use them for various activities. If you own a small, medium, or large plot of land within the metaverse, you can rent it to creators, builders, or game makers who can't even afford the land. But if you rent it out to them, they can run their businesses on your plot, so you can earn a rent. This would increase additional income. However, there is a major difference between the metaverse and the physical world. In the metaverse, there can be an unlimited supply of virtual lands across various platforms. Hence, you'll need to consider additional factors like the accessibility of the platform where you want to own land, the ability of the platform to attract users, its location within the metaverse, the desirability of the real estate for both users and brands so that you can rent it out later, and whether other users would want to interact or hang out there. The most common places to buy metaverse land currently are Decentraland, Sandbox, Somnium, Cryptovoxos, Upland. Also, do keep in mind that virtual real estate remains a highly speculative field, so do your research thoroughly before investing in anything. Number 6. Metaverse architecture and designer. Average earnings per month, $5,000. You can be a metaverse architect and designer. If you have the needed skills, you can create great designs on the metaverse and then sell them out to prospective buyers. If the game allows you to create custom 3D items or customize ones already in-game that can be used within the metaverse, this can be a powerful tool. You can work with individuals or companies to bring their visions to life. Although making money with a 3D printer is not a new idea, it's certainly a new application for it. This is a project-to-project type of job, which means that you'll likely have to treat this like a 9-to-5 job. It's important that if you do in fact do this, you'll advertise yourself both in and outside of the metaverse to gain as many clients as possible. You might be wondering, how do I buy and sell your investments? Number 1. Create a crypto wallet compatible with all forms of metaverse investment. Every purchase, just like physical commodities, require a wallet full of money. You need to create a crypto wallet and load it with currency for investments in Metaverse. The most popular crypto wallet globally is MetaMask. Coinbase and Binance are also good options. Step 2. Open an account on the platform of your choice. After this has been done, you can now proceed forth into funding any of your investments. How do you get into the Metaverse? To access the virtual world, there are 2 major ways to get into the Metaverse. These are through websites and the virtual reality headset. However, for a full experience of what the Metaverse really offers, it is better to get in through the virtual reality headset. Once again, you don't need to feel overwhelmed with the whole virtual world. Although there's a large learning curve when you first explore the Metaverse, there's no limit on how much money you can make through it. Getting to know your options from different Metaverses, investment ideas can allow you to make a large amount of money. Here we are at the end of today's video. Feel free to ask your questions down below, and we're going to be trashing them out in our next video. However, for you not to miss out on any of this, you've got to press the notification bell by the corner subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Stay informed, and see you next time.